Corinthiens,
2
le
Corinthians,
chapitre
the
12,
verse 12.
2 Corinthiens
2 Corinthians 12,
le verset 2.
the verse 2.
L'apôtre Paul,
The Apostle Paul
il parle de
says,
lui-même.
he speaks of himself,
Mais pas
he
à
speaks
troisième personne du singulier.
of the first person of singular.
Jacob dit,
Jacob said,
je connais un homme,
I know a man,
il y a 14 ans.
it's been 14 years.
Il y a 14 ans.
It's 14 years.
Cet homme-là
That man,
a été enlevé.
it was called,
Son
he was
esprit a été
removed.
enlevé.
He was raptured.
Il a été amené
He was
dans
brought
le paradis.
in the paradise, in the heaven. He
Il
waited.
a vu des choses,
He's seen
des
things,
choses merveilleuses.
wonderful things.
Paul dit,
Paul
je
said,
connais un homme,
I know
il
a
y a
man.
14 ans.
There's 14 years.
Ce qu'il a vu,
What he
il
saw,
y a 14 ans,
there's 14
qu'il n'a
years
pas raconté.
that he never
Les révélations qu'il a
back.
vues,
The
il y a
revelation that he
14 ans,
saw, there's 14
qu'il n'a pas
years
dit.
that he never
Paul
said.
dit,
Paul said,
je connais quelqu'un,
I know
il y a
someone.
14 ans,
There's 14
Dieu
years.
l'a élevé.
God
Et ça, c'est la
raptured him.
patience
That's the
pour
patience
parler.
to speak.
Il a vu des choses,
He saw things.
il y a 14 ans,
14
il n'avait
years.
jamais dit.
He never said
Il a eu des
anything.
révélations.
He had
Il y a
revelation.
14 ans,
14
il n'avait jamais dit.
that he never
Il y a
showed
des
to
gens
anybody. There are
qui ne
people
sont pas discrets
that they don't have a secret
dans les choses que
in
Dieu
the things of God
leur révèle.
that God reveals
Ou
to
les
them
montre.
or maybe share with them.
Ils sont pressés de
And they
parler.
are in a hurry to share
C'est
it.
pourquoi, mes
This
amis,
is our faith.
certaines visions,
Certain visions,
certains songes,
certain dreams,
certaines révélations,
certain
ça
revelations,
meurt
it
avant de
dies
commencer.
before even beginning.
Avant de commencer.
Before even
Regardez
beginning.
Joseph.
Look at
Dieu
yourself.
l'a
God
montré.
showed him
Qu'est-ce qu'il a vu?
what he
Il a vu
saw.
le soleil.
He saw the
Il a
sun.
vu la lune.
He saw the moon.
Il a vu 11 étoiles.
And he saw the stars.
Devant lui,
Before
à
him.
genoux,
Near
il a
him.
vu ça.
He saw
Il va
that.
dire à ses
But
frères.
he went to his
Il va leur
brother.
dire.
He went to his
Il n'a pas
brother.
fait comme Paul.
He never done
Paul a vu.
Paul saw.
Il n'a rien
He
dit.
never said anything.
Joseph a fait.
But Joseph
Il a
saw.
rien dit.
He went.
La Bible
The
dit.
Bible
Quand
said
il a dit,
when he shared
ses frères
his
l'ont
brother,
haï.
they hated on
Ils
him.
l'ont haï.
They hated on him.
Mais lui,
But
il
him,
n'a pas tiré de leçon.
he never took a
Il n'a pas tiré de
lesson.
leçon.
He never took a
Joseph
lesson. But Joseph,
voit encore
he saw
un autre rêve.
another dream.
Il se voit
He saw
avec
himself
ses frères
with his
dans
brother
les champs,
in the field.
en train
In
de
the
planter.
field and sowing.
Il y avait des épis.
There were things.
Et Joseph a vu.
And Joseph
Il
said,
a vu que les plantes
he saw that the
de
plants
ses frères
of his brother
fléchissaient,
bowed to him.
fléchissaient
Bowed to him.
devant sa plante.
Bow him
Et la
before
Bible
his
dit,
face. And the Bible
Joseph,
says, Joseph,
il va encore voir ses frères
he saw his
pour
brother
leur dire
to
ce
tell
qu'il a
them
vu
what he saw
comme
in the dream.
conséquence.
As a
Ils l'ont
consequence,
jalousé.
they jealous
Ils l'ont
him.
haï.
They hated on
Ils l'ont
him.
vendu.
They sold him.
Écoutez, mes amis,
Listen,
si tu
my
n'es pas
brother.
patient
If you're not patient
avec ce que Dieu te dit,
with what God is
tu
telling you,
vas t'attirer
you're going to
la
attract
trahison,
a
la
betrayal,
jalousie,
jealousy,
la haine.
the hatred.
Il y a des gens
There are things
qui ont des
people
combats
that have
à cause de
fight
leur
only
bouche.
because of their
À cause de
mouth.
leur bouche.
Because of the
Ils ne
mouth.
savent pas
They
garder
don't know how to keep secrets.
secrets
The secrets
que Dieu
that
leur
God
révèle.
is revealing
Ce
to
n'est pas
them.
tout
It's not
qu'il faut
everything
dire.
that you need to
Ce
share
n'est pas
out
tout
there. It's not
qu'il faut
everything
montrer.
that you need to
Ce
show
n'est pas
out.
tout
It's not
qu'il faut
everything
déclarer.
that you need to
Il y a des
declare.
choses
There are things
qu'il faut attendre
you need to
un
wait
temps
in
pour
a
les
good
dire.
time.
Pour les
appointed
dire.
time to say.
Paul est dit,
Paul
il y a
said,
14 ans.
there are 14 years.
Il y a 14 ans.
14 years.
Je connais un homme
I know
qui a vu ici.
who've seen
Quand
this.
il a dit ça,
When he said
même si les
that,
gens lui haïssaient,
even people hated
ça n'aurait pas
him.
d'effet.
He had no
Parce que
effect
ce qu'il avait vu
because what he saw
était déjà
it
réalisé,
was already
était
fulfilled.
déjà accompli.
It